welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I am in my car today for this video, and it's going to be a twist on letting the person decide what I eat in front of me. Yeah, that's what we're going to be doing, a twist on that. So what we're going to be doing is letting the cashier recommend what they want us to eat. So when I'm at the intercom, I won't let them tell me what they're going to recommend. Shami's the one that actually suggested this, like, because we wanted to do the drive-through edition since we did the walk-in edition, which nobody has done, so that was pretty fun. So yeah, we say, you know, me never really want to do the drive-through, let the person in front of me decide what to eat, but I see that like people were requesting it still, but we just never want to do it no more. But this is a really nice twist. Island Grill drive-through. Yeah, Island Grill is an island thing, you see it. So, you know, jerk chicken, roast fish, kalaloo rice, pumpkin rice, festival, pea soup, fried bread. They're lit. Jerk pork. They're lit, and they actually have options, meal options, which are a bit more on the healthier side. I'm not gonna say straight out healthy, it's still fast food, but yeah, so it's always a go-to for me. If I cannot prepare my meal, I can have like raw veg or steamed veg with like chicken. You're nervous? I'm nervous because you see that something there? One promotion I go on, bigger fish. I don't eat. I don't like getting fish from fish from fast food places, period. This is what the drive-through looks like. I've been here for the longest. So yeah. Money back, money back, money back, money back, money back, money back, yeah. I don't want that, Nina. Hello, good evening, welcome to Island Grill. Hi, good evening. I've got her. Okay, could you please recommend something to me? I'm not sure what I'm not sure what to get. Can you please recommend something? How are you feeling today? What do you feel like to eat? I don't want to know is what. Just alright. When I reach at the window, tell me the total, okay? Okay. Thank you. That one that it lit me harder than when we walk in at the place, didn't it? I wonder what your favorite thing on the menu, you know. It's just someone like a tickers. I just got so nervous. Special is actually my favorite thing from here, so if we get that, I'm not going to be mad at all. Like, we don't know the price, we don't know what it is, we have no clue. We're just like, one juice in I wanna normally take Island Grill juice. I like take Island Grill juice because them dash with the whole bag of sugar and in there. Big, like it can't do. Oh my gosh, I'm sure gonna see and be like, oh, them two crazy girl here. Why young people so weird? I'm pretty sure. I mean, I like to eat the pan. What? I mean, I like to eat the pan for drive-through. Guys, we never go KFC first because the drive-through pack up. KFC drive-through always ram. It's just so depressing. 10 o'clock on a Tuesday morning. KFC drive. But we're going back in there because I don't even know what you're going to get us. I don't know, like. I'm nervous. She's not like a tickers. Oh my gosh, she's looking. Right? Oh my god! Like fully. Oh my god. Hi. What's the total? Chicken and fries, barbecue and a small drink. Okay. Alright. How much? Alright. Thank you. So this entire meal came to $970. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Alright, wine up. Pretty. I'm just gonna sit in. So it's the Island Special Barbecue Quarter leg and thigh quarter, seasoned fries combo, juice, which is June plum, a June plum cooler. And this came up to 970 Jamaican dollars. We ain't getting no straw. We ain't getting no straw? Looks. Okay, so I'm not a big fan of June plum juice. Me love June plum juice. What? I don't, I'm not a big fan of it. I'm now go back to Burger King because we did that for the first one, so I'm not going to Burger King. You no plan for give me another juice, girl? I don't like it, but I still want to taste it. Boy, them fries are Russian bar. It look like a better than KFC one still. At least they're standing upright. KFC fries is the worst.
So I said at least them standing upright.
It's refreshing. Still not my favorite, but refreshing.
So, me Jesus, no, is a sin.
What is?
Is a sin.
No, what is? I don't usually get this when I come out.
She could have set we up nicer than this.
After we said, no, then how are these people? What is?
Look at the sauce.
I'm like, what is this? I'm going 5.
Look at my one leg.
You can't take them. It's hot. So the girl was blushing, guys. Like she's like, the mama me like.
Like, the total is 970.
I am good as lit though, regardless. Like
I'm just glad to never get no bread.
I'm never wanna buy no. I'm not doing rice, you know. I'm not like island grill though. What kind of piece of what is this? This can't fully over. Yo, one thing though, them thing tastes good, you know. Alright.
May I forgot to tell her, I'm very hungry and I don't know what to get. Like I have a huge appetite, right?
Don't you go tell her?
Yeah. We don't want to end up back look like the last one. Beer 1 serving.
True. And plus, I didn't do the ×2 order because that would be too much food. Yeah, that would be too much food.
Because it's not like we're waiting. We're just going straight there. We can go walk like a still and then we can go make night come down with that KFC church.
In 2 minutes and it done. Like what? It's actually jerk chicken with barbecue sauce on it. That's like this is how you drink.
Swan or no?
Alright, we're gonna breeze off a little bit. We're gonna walk in at the shopping center for a bit
and then go.
Because it's Saturday, so you know we have little errands to run and stuff. And then we're going to come back to continue this little challenge that we're doing.
1 hour later.
Wow, guys, so our next stop, KFC, as you can see right there. And the drive-through line still long. Oh my gosh.
This branch always what?
Like this, always is packed. So 1 down so far, and I feel like 2 more to go.
Yeah, am I not right?
Oh, that foreign son.
You know, the other day I was saying like, where the
why you do that? What the hell? Hello, good evening.
Good evening.
It's just 2 of us. I'm not sure what to get. So could you like just recommend something? You don't have to tell me.
I'm not hearing no other noise. That's a look of time.
You don't have to tell us what it is, just tell us the total.
So the total of what? What would you like for me to do, say? Oh, come in.
Recommend.
And the thing about
No, I don't want you to tell me. Just give me the total.
Nice. Which total of what?
Of the order, just make a random order
I
for
just
us.
want, so it's just 2 of us and we don't know what to get. So just recommend something for both of us and just tell us the order. Don't tell us what.
Oh,
Just-
you know what? Save it to the come round to me.
Alright. At least she's not so bad. She's so nice. She's so nice.
Don't tell us, just give us the price.
Yeah. 1950. Everything. Mommy's in the back.
1950.
Guys, she said the total at 1950. I wonder what she give me. Lord have mercy, the bag big. Oh, it's heavy.
I wonder. You only get this bag when more than 3 things is in the bag. So the receipt says that we got 2 zinger box. with original legs, 2 barbecue zingers, and a regular fries, Tropicana orange juice, and a mini coleslaw combo.
Why would she recommend
But
original?
nobody
Is alright. She make sure put ×2 for everything, by the way.
We got 2 biscuits.
Okay. Can I get the
2
straw?
ting.
I really don't like these paper straws. They're horrible. How about we get tonight? This one orange.
Hold on, you know, Swan. We
Look
get
how much
wings and chicken in there, but
Wait there. I want heap of food. This is Zinger. We don't usually get these type of orders, and the chicken them in here, so it look like a 3 or 4 piece. This is a lot of
how
weight.
much she give me after a zinger box this?
How much she doing?
She fix you up. She feels nice.
This looks like a lot more than just 1900. What a whole heap of food. I always buy Zinger box and I never get this yet.
We get 2 pieces of chicken, 2 pieces of wings, and the zinger.
Wow, this is a lot of food. And you know what? I'm not going to be able to eat this all.
God bless your sister.
So we're parked up again and we're
This
eating.
has been the most successful runs into the 2 video. Kind of the first one, we never get 2 separate meals.
I feel like this one is a little more lit than the previous. You know, when I go to KFC, I don't order original ever. Boxed, but with wings instead of one.
Meal deal with wings and zinger and coleslaw and fries.
I wonder if she just was being nice and give us extra. We're sharing it with mommy. I'm definitely not going to be able to touch a zinger. This is basically like a chicken sandwich. Let me show you.
Chicken burger.
For all the people who don't know. Right there.
A barbecue.
I think no lettuce, no nothing. It's barbecue. It's a barbecue one. And you know, see, I almost wasn't going to come to KFC because we come to KFC so much. And I didn't want you guys to be like, so you should have got your show. We can't go Wendy's. Well, because it would be, I wouldn't be able to drive through. Wendy's don't have a drive-through here in Mobay. Only in Montego Bay has a drive-through at Fairview Plaza. But in Kingston, there's absolutely none. I really want to go to one more place, but
yeah, you want to eat it.
I feel like that food is going to waste. You post big box yesterday.
And oh man, you want spicy chicken and that make me so happy.
A spicy me get to now. When you get KFC, this is how you feel.
Look at this. There's so much chicken I take out of the zinger box already.
Guys, my boss. Look, I don't touch the sandwich or no, the zinger. Cashier.
Yeah, after be a
Both of us have our zingers.
I only have piece of spicy chicken left in the box. I eat my wings and I give mommy the barbecue chicken and coleslaw.
Yeah, we got coleslaw.
Cashier, I know you want divinity. Big up yourself here.
Honestly, it would be a sin for me to buy any more food right now. It's kind of quick. So that's it for today's video, guys. If you enjoyed this little challenge, go ahead and give it a thumb up. I mean, it's similar to the I let the person in front of me decide what to eat, but as I said, it's a twist. We didn't do that whole in front of decide what to eat. We did it with a cashier. So, you know, let's know what you think down below, and keep the suggestions coming in. So until next time,